The rooms at ZEL will impress you. Soon as you open the door, they are all designed in a suite style. That means even the entry-level rooms are spacious and designed more like a small apartment than a standard hotel room. Some key elements are vintage style. The stylish fridge is full of beverages for you to enjoy. The overall design blends Mediterranean decor, wood, linen, soft earthy tones with tropical Caribbean elements. Separate living area with a sofa bed, great for families or just lounging and watching TV. A spacious room comes with a comfortable king bed, or they also come with 2 comfortable double beds, separated from the living room with a wall and a large, sliding privacy wooden door. A second TV hanging from the wall to enjoy. Moving on to the closet area, containing a safe for valuables and plenty of space. We flow into a great bathroom space with frosted glass doors separating the shower and the toilet area. Two oval-shaped sinks with accessories for your use, and towels in the bottom shelves. A blow dryer and a weight scale to keep you focused on not putting too many pounds on. Another closet space with a luggage table and an umbrella for those possible rain days. One more look at the rooms as we venture out to the large balcony and jetted tub for your pleasure. With a locking door and a sliding door in the other room. Plenty of natural light comes peeking in. Two modern-style rocking chairs and a large jetted tub to enjoy the balcony. Overlooks a beautiful garden view. ZEL Punta Cana took great thought to design and create this beautiful living space for guests to feel at home after a long day of activities to recharge. When you're off to the pool or beach, just press the cleaning service button and the outer light lights up green, or privacy with the color red. We hope you enjoyed our review of our room. Stay tuned for more looks inside this resort. Please like and subscribe.